在马来西亚提到医药广告，很多人第一时间会想到，只要向隶属于卫生部的医药广告局 KKLIU 申请许可证就可以了。但其实这项规定只适用于药物与医疗服务广告。很多人不知道的是，医疗器材的广告同样必须申请许可证，而负责监管的是卫生部旗下的另一个单位——大马医疗器材管理局 （Medical Device Authority）。更重要的是，医疗器材广告的违规刑责往往比 KKLIU 的规范更加严格。一旦违法，除了可被罚款不超过30万令吉之外，也可能面临牢狱之灾，即不超过3年的监禁或两者兼施。此外，你可否知道，马来西亚其实是全球第一个与中国建立医疗器材信赖合作机制的国家？以前，大马的医疗器材要出口到中国，审批可能长达2年，但现在只要通过 MDA 注册，最快6个月就能进入中国市场。这条由中国专属开放给大马的绿色通道，让本地医疗器材业者在国际舞台上大大加速。
Any devices that used for prevention of disease, diagnosis, monitoring, treatment, or relief of disease, that is considered as a medical device. Particularly, the medical device doesn't work mainly through pharmaceutical or chemical action of mode.
Okay.
That means it does not involve any chemical or pharmaceutical related works. You see, so that means that if it is a medicine, yes, it works through a chemical, right, or pharmaceuticals. But medical devices used against the person. So mainly we use for prevention, treatment, diagnosis, and relief of disease. That's considered as a medical device. So that is already described under the section 2 of our act. So as I said, the approval process starts with the application form. See, they need to submit an application form through the MDA website. MDA email. Through the email. Through the email. They can download the form from the website, and then they fill up, and then they can email to us. Right, and then attach with the full advertisement material, their artwork, their storyboard, video script, audio script, and etc. Is all they have to attach to, and then they have to include the supporting documents, okay, and as well as a letter of authorization from manufacturers or AR, and then testimonials consent. If let's say there are people who are giving testimonials, they need to give the consent form from that people. Okay, and then scientific references. If let's say they claim 100% cure, 30 days the hypertension will gone, all these kind of things claims, they need to support with the scientific evidences, journal papers, and so on. So once you gather all this information, then you submit to us, you pay the processing fee, 1,000 ringgit, and then we will evaluate the ad for compliance with the Act 737, as well as if it is approved, then we issue the certificate of approval. That's it. So the whole process will take about 14 days, 14 working days. So within the 14 working days, you will get the answer. That is the maximum KPI, our KPI lah. We have our department under the pre-market control department, which we have this advertisement unit.
Okay.
Advertisement control unit.
Okay.
So you can actually liaise with them, and then you can get the process done. Normally there is no field, because before they apply they would have read all the code of advertisement and the guidance document, because we have a guidance document how to apply and so on. So they would have fulfilled the requirements, then only you apply.
Okay.
So they have to do the due diligence first. So you can mention that they need to fulfill the criteria set in the guidance document. We can give you the guidance document for the code of advertisement, and then guidance document to apply for the advertisement, plus with code of advertisement. So these two they have to read before they have to submit, and then only they can submit. So if let's say their advertisement doesn't falls under this category, let's say it doesn't falls under medical devices, or it doesn't involve any claims or any those kind of things, then they don't need to apply. Yes, we have our enforcement team because MDA has a full power to enforce, equivalent to a police. So we have our power equivalent to a police. Means that we can actually investigate, we can actually confiscate, we can arrest, we can bring it to the court. We have full power. Okay. So under that, I have my enforcement team that monitors all these advertisements, online platforms and so on. So there is a dedicated team, dedicated people who are sitting in the desk that's doing the daily job, was looking into all the advertisements that has been approved in the online and also on the normal platforms. We just because KKRIA, I mean they have already started way back, many years. We just about 50. We just started in 2012. So we are continuously improving the processes. So yes, 13 years. So and we have gone so far to this level, and we are actually having our teams to monitor and so on. Non-compliance, it is an offense under the Act 737, which can be penalized up to 300,000 or jail term. So or both. Okay. We don't go after media yet. Because media normally they will advertise all the registered products and also registered. They do have the mechanism to check on that first, and then only they allow the advertisement. But online platforms, yes, we do have. Every time we do send our warning letters. We meet them. We call them for queries and so on. Okay. Yes, that's ongoing efforts. The advertisers, yes, definitely they are liable. Okay. So they are liable. We have cases against them. We have taken actions against them, and some of the establishments we have taken actions until we have revoked their license. There is about more than 20 over cases